Earl of Clarendon, and he was the Lord High Chancellor of England. Means he was the man. He was the man.
How did you wind up in Fort Myers?
We are now. Have you ever seen a Hyde Park Street?
Hyde Park what?
You ever seen Hyde?
No, I guess not. I'm not following you.
You ever seen a Hyde Street?
Hyde Street? Yeah.
Seen a Hyde Park?
Yeah, sure.
This is the people I'm descendant of.
Oh. So like I said.
So why is there a fucking Hyde Street and a Hyde Park everywhere on every major city on the planet?
Ever seen Orion Street?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did you wind up in Fort Myers Beach? You flew me for a loop.
Oh, dude, I've been coming here since I was 13.
13? You said you were in Iraq.
I said I've been coming here since I was 13.
So when did you go to Iraq?
When I was 9.
19? How long were you there for?
We didn't do shit. We went over and came back.
You got your foot blown off. How did that happen?
We did this, we did that.
No, really. How'd you get your foot blown off? What was it?
Would you like to... let me take some cards.
Okay.
I would be interested in being on your show.
Hey, you. How you doing? I haven't seen you here before. Have you been coming down often? Lately?
No. Oh, great.
Hey.
Hi, honey. Oh, my goodness.
How you guys doing? How'd the special sell this year? Nice. That's great.
You gotta love it. Revenue's up 45%.
Really?
Cool. Sweetheart.
Here. I thought you'd like those.
Oh man, that's such a nice
Oh,
present.
yeah, you got a
This is
friend.
what people find picking up garbage.
Jeez.
Nice. Anything else?
Any gardens? Sweet. Oh, you're sweet.
It'd be a nice day when you get sun.
Yeah. You're all sweet. This guy on the other hand. Not sure about this.
You hear about Imus?
Yeah.
Crazy. Hey Karen,
Morning, Ed.
how you doing?
I'm well, yourself?
Good.
I good.
Come over and see you. Yeah, I mean it was crazy the coverage. It was like in every national, local. I was just watching every single paper.
Yeah, Fox News.
Yeah. CNN had it on the lead. 50 years is a long time to be on the radio.
He's not that cool. You like me.
Things he covered in his lifetime, huh?
Yeah, he should have died 3 or 4 other times. You know, he was sick and he was a cocaine addict. And
Or at the hands of
He was sick.
that's right.
And yeah, he was doing dope. Yeah, and this is the guy you guys listen to. This is your. This is one of your people that you actually.
No, he died last night.
Good.
Where you guys headed? We were walking.
For breakfast, we've been walking.
I've had it with fucking.
Yeah, it's a great day.
I've had it with people that are hypocrites. I've just had it. I've had it with him. Your dog is wonderful.
You have a dog? What do you do for a living?
Whatever I want.
How do you make money that way?
However I want.
Doesn't seem like a plan.
There is no plan.
No plan? I like to have a plan. Better with
There
a
is
plan.
no plan. Things are better with a plan. Guess
They are
what?
for me.
Well, that's you. Look at you. You look like you juice and fucking steroid up, too. Fuck you, man. You look like you steroid up, too.
All right.
So fuck you, fuck off. I have no respect for people who do this.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
I know what I'm talking about.
You have no idea what you're talking about.
I know exactly what I'm talking
What are you talking about?
about. This is natural.
What is?
My arms are this size.
I can tell. What's your point? You don't know what I do. You have no idea.
I don't care. But
Okay,
I'm not.
Then why don't you keep riding your bike through? You don't care.
Well, I thought I would talk to you because I thought
No,
you were an
you thought you would
intelligent.
talk to me until you change your attitude.
Right on.
Keep going. We'll borrow somebody else.
Well, you would have been really,
Go bother somebody
you would have
else.
been really smart to have had me on your show one day next
Clearly,
week.
clearly.
But if you want to be that obtuse, then
It's my
that's the
middle
way it's
name,
going to be.
obtuse. You help with your shirt there? It's inside out.
I know what's going on. I'm pretty sure I know what's going on. If you're going to be that obtuse, then that's just the way you're going to be. And I wish you well. All the luck in the world.
All the crazy stuff by to talk to me. Ay, ay, ay.